What is going on, everyone? My name is VisionX and welcome back to another video, guys. Now today I'm going to be building one of my other friends his very first gaming PC right here, and as you guys can tell, this is my old PC case, the Spec Omega Alpha, which is definitely one of my favorite cases out there up to this day. This thing is amazing, so we're gonna have to get this build in here and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and check out the parts that he's rocking. So as you guys can see over here, he did went and go ahead with a 2070 Super. It's going to be a really good graphics card. You know, we really tried to get our hands on one of the 3080 series cards, but we couldn't, you know, because what's going on with graphics card right now, especially the 3080 series. So yeah, we went ahead and copped a 2070 Super. It's going to perform really well. You know, he also has a Ryzen CPU right here. It's going to be really good for multitasking, and you know, he's planning to stream with this PC as well, so it's going to be really good for that as well. So we also went ahead and slapped some GIM fans that we got from this company right here that was sent to me, so we went ahead and put those in the build as well. Also, we're going to go ahead and drop this thing right here in there as well. This is going to be an RGB block thing right here that lights up your PC. It's pretty good. All of these were sent to me by GIM, this company right here, so if you guys want to go check them out, I'll be sure to link that in the description below for you guys. You know, I did a review on these fans. If you guys want to check them out, they look absolutely amazing, so definitely go check them out if that is something you're interested in. So we also went with this motherboard right here, this B450F gaming motherboard. I've been using this for years now, guys. Very budget friendly, really good motherboard, really nice. I really love it. It does have some cool RGB on here as well, and your necessary connections that you need for your PC. So we went ahead and hopped with a 850 power supply. I was gonna do 750 because it's gonna be even too much power for this system. I was gonna do 750, but it was like $4 extra to get this one right here, so I just was like, why not, you know? So when I was gonna pick up storage, you know, we kind of run out of his budget, so I just went ahead and picked this up for him right here, which is a 120GB SSD right here, you know, because we needed an SSD in this build. I didn't want to build it without an SSD. In the future, he can upgrade this for an NVMe SSD if he needs to, which is what I like, you know, future-proof PCs. But no worries, he does have a 2TB hard drive in here. It's going to be plenty of storage for his games and stuff, so we could just slap Windows on here, you know, and just go ahead and put all his games on here, which is going to be perfect. As long as we have that SSD, you know, to boot up that Windows, to get that boot up really fast, that's all that matters. So we also have a 16GB Trident's RGB RAM stick in here, so these are going to be really good. He can also upgrade those with another 16GB bundle in the future, so this PC is very future proof. You can easily just swap out parts and put some new stuff in. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this build, guys, so make sure and see how it turns out. Hopefully it does turn out pretty good, so let's go ahead and start.